Hi, I'm Kevin Chapman with MarineMax Dallas, and today I'm going to show you the 2023 NXT21. Beautiful boat. Notice on the side we've got the tower speakers, then we've got the clamping board racks, which makes it a lot nicer, and it's standard feature with MasterCraft. One really cool feature getting in and out of the boat: flip down swim platform. You'll notice the sea deck on all the steps there, so it makes it real nice to get in and out of the boat. Hi guys, again, we're inside the NXT21 now. Take a look at the storage in the back. We have great storage for all your gear, life jackets and everything. You don't have to have anything on the floor. We've got so much storage, both sides of the engine compartment, all completely finished out. This one, the interior, we did all cool fill, which I wish you were sitting here right now. It does not get hot. It really is a nice surface to sit on, easy to clean too and maintain. This is going to be the oyster with the jet stream blue with the white, which we did the interior here on the sea deck is going to be the tan, which goes really nice with this boat and really pops. We come up to the dash. We've got the clip stereo with 2 tower speakers. We've got our surf system here. It's very easy to use. Just pick your number and you're ready to go. You don't have to mess around with anything. Get the kids back there and just pull them up. Makes it so nice and easy. Storage through, pass through on the side. Really nicely finished out here. No areas for water to really sit and mess up the boat. In the back there, we've got the seat, the stern seat that'll flip over so you can check out the surfers behind you. Bimini top comes from the tower, comes forward and covers the entire cockpit. Then in the bow, we've got great storage up in here too as well that goes back through the underneath the dash. Underneath the front, we have got nice anchor storage, and you'll notice that we've got sea deck on the sides for easy to get into and out of the boat. And thanks again for taking a look at this 2023 NXT21 with MarineMax Dallas. Check us out on the web, MarineMax.com, MarineMax Dallas, and feel free to give us a call, 972-436-9979. Thanks, y'all.